Today we're going inside the Petit Palais in Paris, and if you're wondering what else to add to your Paris list of things to see, especially things that are free, this stop should be at the top of your list. There's literally something here for everyone. Gorgeous architecture, sculpture, art from French masters like Monet and Cézanne, and then you can go downstairs and you'll find a treasure trove of Renaissance and medieval art, which is my happy place. Plus there is a stunning quiet garden and cafe here, and it's all just steps from the busy Champs Elysees. If you can believe it, this gorgeous building was originally built as a temporary pavilion for the 1900 World's Fair. Thank goodness they kept it and turned it into the City of Paris Museum of Fine Arts, so we can still enjoy it over 100 years later. I snuck a mic in under my shirt so you can come with me as I discover this gorgeous museum in the heart of Paris. And you've got Font Alexandre right there, and right across the street is the Grand Palais, which we're not going in today. To the left for the free exhibits. Let's go check it out. I just grab one of these. It has all of your things you're going to be looking for. Look at these beautiful floors. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Here's the beautiful staircase. Oh my goodness, look at this. So we're still in the permanent exhibit. There are temporary exhibits that you have to get tickets for, which I don't have and I'm not doing. Also, can I point out, it is actually very warm in here. So it's a cold day out and I wore a coat, but be ready to carry your coat because it is actually hot in here, which is kind of a surprise. This is things from the Middle Ages. This one is 1515 to 1520. So these are all late 1400s and 1500s. This is St. George and the Dragon from the 15th century. Beautiful. Like calendars for different months. You have February and July on the left, August and October on the right. John the Baptist, St. George and the Dragon, and the prophet Eli. This is all saints and martyrs. cross of the Emperor of Ethiopia from the 1720s. So if you like the Cluny Museum, don't forget the Petit Palais. There are some beautiful things in here from the medieval and Middle Ages. Gorgeous, oh my goodness. And you exit through the gift shop. And we are back outside. And we're going to find a little bench to sit on and map our way towards the Palais Galliera, which is our next stop. I have tickets for there in about 2.5 hours, so we're gonna walk and maybe find a cafe, grab a bite to eat, and continue with the day. I hope you enjoyed that walk through the beautiful Petit Palais. If you're going, it's free to do what I just did. You just walk in, there's a short line, it's not that busy, and it's a really nice way to spend maybe an hour walking around and seeing all of that. There is a garden and a cafe there, which I did not take advantage of, but they are outside in the garden. There's a little cafe, I believe, so you can take advantage of that if you get a chance. I'm gonna go find a cafe out here somewhere and get closer to my next stop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.